Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to remove a Google account. Start now. First, unlock the device and confirm you know the screen lock. This permits account changes. Next, make a quick backup to Google Drive or local storage so you don't lose contacts, photos, or app data. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Accounts or Users and Accounts. This is where Android lists signed-in Google accounts. Don't waste time. Ensure the device stays powered and your internet is active before proceeding to removal. Continue by selecting the specific Google account you want to remove from Settings. Tap Account, then Remove Account. Android will ask for your device PIN, pattern, or password to verify you. After you confirm, wait while the system signs out services like Gmail, Play, and Contacts. This can take a few seconds. If the account is the device owner and factory reset protection is active, follow on-screen prompts to disable FRP or sign in with the original credentials. To finish, restart the phone so Android refreshes accounts and services. This ensures apps stop syncing to the removed account. Make sure Play Store and Gmail no longer show that account. If removal failed, sign back into the Google account on the device, disable all sync options, then attempt removal again. This often resolves sync lock issues. And if factory reset protection blocks you, your key troubleshooting step is to use the original Google credentials or reach out to the device manufacturer for FRP support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.